Hello students, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to give the answer of chapter number 8, the value of food. Students, if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe it and share with your friends. Let's begin with the exercise. First is A. What's the solution? Your friend wants to know where big round amlas come from. Answer: big round juicy amla comes from northeastern region of India. आंवला हमें जंगलों में या नॉर्थ ईस्ट साइड से मिलता है. सेकेंड B1. बी का फर्स्ट है वॉट इज़ द प्लेस कॉल्ड वेयर सॉल्ट इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम सी वाटर. आंसर: द प्लेस वेयर सॉल्ट इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम सी वाटर is called as salt pan, creek, a pan or a basin. Second, potatoes and radish grow underground. Which other bulbs we get from plants? Answer: bulbs, onion, garlic, spring onion, and roots, carrot, celery. 3. What is a kanagi? For what purpose do farmers use it? Answer: a place where grain is stored is kanagi. It is used by farmers to protect the attacks of insects and pests like mice and rats. Fourth, for what does a farmer use an implement called a typhon? Answer: a farmer uses typhon for sowing the seeds in correct डेप्थ एंड डिस्टेंस. टाइफन का यूज़ हम कहाँ पर करते हैं, मतलब फार्मर कहाँ पर करते हैं, और डेप्थ मालूम करने के लिए. जब बीज बोया जाता है ना तो उसकी डेप्थ मालूम करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ, विच इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर रिक्वायर्ड for making a lemon sherbet. From where are these ingredients obtained? Answer: the ingredients needed are lemon, water, sugar and a little salt. Lemon is obtained from farms, salt from salt pans and sugar from sugarcane that is grown in fields. Next है C1. Fill in the blanks. First, when the soil becomes hot and humid, the crop is sown. Second, the grain is separated from the ears by a process called threshing. Third, the light shells are blown away by the wind. Fourth, some people gather fruits like karvanda and jamun from the forest. Fifth, machines and vehicles are used for the production and transport of foodstuffs. Money is spent on labor to operate them. Next, D. Answer in brief. First, how is a field prepared for sowing? Answer: summer is the time for reading the field. Different implements are attached to the tractor to carry out various farming tasks. The field is ploughed, the soil is crushed, and finally the field is leveled to make it ready for sowing. Second, how is grain transported to all parts of the country? Answer: the grain that traders buy is sold all over the country. It is transported by means of trucks or good trains. It is now the turn of porters and truck drivers to put in their labor. Third, why should we not waste food? Answer: all the people put in lot of hard work in their own occupation. We get a variety of food stuff as a result of their efforts. The efforts and labor of many people are required for storing, transporting and marketing as well as preparing the various we eat. All this process is very expensive. Therefore, it is necessary for all of us to take care that food must not be wasted. Fourth, what are the tasks that are carried out to make a bhakri after the grain has been brought into the house? Answer: the grain that is purchased is sorted out, that is cleaned from any stones and rubbish in it. Then it is taken to the miller, that is chakki, to be ground into flour. For cooking it, the flour is kneaded into dough. Small lumps pieces of dough are flattened, rolled out into bhakri and roasted. This is how it appears on our plate. Next, E. मैच द फॉलोइंग. ग्रुप ए में से आपको मैच करना है. तो ग्रुप ई में है फर्स्ट वाला है सॉल्ट, तो सॉल्ट का आंसर आएगा सेकेंड, द सी. देन सेकेंड शुगर केन यानी गन्ना हमको कहाँ से मिलता है, तो आएगा फील्ड्स यानी खेतों से. थर्ड, बोर इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ फ्रूट. बोर कहाँ से मिलता है, फॉरेस्ट से, जंगलों से. Then Makhana, a freshwater lake.